importance of having a clean rain barrel. So this is just an introduction to that video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and like to my channel, and have a wonderful day. You can actually see the yellow residue on it, which is definitely confirming what I was saying, that it was so full of pollen. That's not something you want on your organic food. So this is definitely caution that you periodically clean out your rain barrel. We want to grow healthy food, but at the same time, we need to make sure that what we're using actually serves its purpose. Wow. And I don't want to unhook it from the wall.
No.
So we're just going to have to keep putting water in it.
Let it drain all the way out there and put water in it.
Look at that. That's what I'm trying to remove. We've been going for 15 minutes. And that's what's down in there. I'm going to go ahead and dump this thing. I've unhooked it and I'm finna dump it. As you can see, this is not an easy process, but it's got to be done. Okay, I did go ahead and dump it. That's what was in the bottom. That's slowing down the draining process. That's still in the bottom. And we're going to dump it again. I done unplugged it now, sweetheart. Go ahead and let's dump this thing again. Just chill. Looking like in there. Still a lot. Even after dumping it twice, that's still what we got in there. That's dirt. Sand or something. Let me leave it like that for a minute. Let me rinse the bottom of it. It's got some little things. Get that. All right. Let's go. Rinse it out. Now that's a good place for it to start. Not where we were, not at all. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the cover back on it, cut off the hoses, reattach that one, and push it in further. Great. All right, and let's hose that down. One thing I do want to say, if you don't have it attached and closed completely, that's when you're gonna probably get them mosquitoes going in. As you can see, it's got a net, so therefore they should not be getting in there. But I guess after years of not taking care of this thing, that's what happens. So we're gonna go ahead now, and I want to thank you for staying with us and seeing how to